Okay?
Okay. Oh my god.
I feel like it's gonna hit me. Guys! So cool!
Oh my god. Like, just so cool. It's gonna be even cooler later. Whoa.
Can you film the ending? I only have like 4 minutes.
Okay.
We're filming the exact same time.
Huh. I love this part. Oh my god.
I'll probably upload this on YouTube.
Yeah. So, I don't have a YouTube channel.
Yes, you do.
I do?
Yes, your account. I'm gonna win.
It's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I'll put pause so I don't waste time.
Oh! Oh my god. What the heck?
Just 1 more minute of filming.
Those are my favorite ones because they're gold.
My gosh, it looks like it's gonna hit us.
Oh!
Where's that notification out of nowhere? I'll do a part 2 with your video.
Guys, I'm shooting.
I'll just use your video. Guys, let's take a selfie.
4 minutes already.